If you're not too familiar with Arlington, Cherrydale is one of the most sought after neighborhoods to buy a house. Cherrydale is a charming neighborhood located in the heart of northern Arlington, and today we're presenting 1709 North Monroe Street, which is at the heart of Cherrydale. It is a brand new construction crafted by Enhanced Homes, a local builder, and the listing is presented by Aaron Probasco. At the beginning of August 2024, the house is listed for $2,849,000. The lot size is a little over 1/4 of an acre. The house spans over 6,100 square feet across 3 levels. It features 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a gorgeous kitchen with high-end appliances, tall ceilings, and an excellent outdoor space. The house is ready to entertain your guests or be your private paradise. So come with me and let's explore this beauty. So as soon as you come in the house, you get hit by all the light in the great hall. Now, before we go there, let's go to the first bedroom that you're gonna find in the main level. You can use it as a bedroom or you can use it as your office. Every bedroom in the house is going to have a closet and a bathroom. You have 3 levels. Top level is going to be the bedrooms, and the basement is going to be additional bedrooms and entertainment. And this is your dining room, which is a complete open concept. You have your family room, and then you have your kitchen. One thing that I've always said is that when you have a kitchen with the counter depth refrigerators, or the column refrigerators, you must have an additional refrigerator somewhere in the house. And guess what? In this house, you have a full-size secondary kitchen or butler's room with a full-size refrigerator. We're gonna find throughout the house wine coolers. You have your pull-out microwave and a 40-inch range with 2 ovens. And if you love entertainment, or if you love entertaining, 2 dishwashers is the way to go. The house has a 2-car garage, and as soon as you come through this mudroom, you have access to the car garage. Plenty of space. It's a large 2-car garage. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about the neighborhoods. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell so you are informed every week when we post a new video. By the way, if you're relocating from another state to Northern Virginia, or if you are relocating inside of Northern Virginia, make sure that you give us a call, send us a text message, send us a telegram, whatever is more convenient for you. If you have questions, we have answers. So let's go to the second level. So here on the second level, we're gonna have four bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. So let's go into the secondary bedrooms. Every bedroom has a full-size closet and a bathroom. As you can see, this builder has really good taste in finishing or finishes selections, as well as great craftsmanship. So this would be, let's say, call it bedroom number 3 or bedroom number 2 on the second level. And you have your full-size closet and before we go into the primary bedroom, let's go to the third bedroom here on the second level. Plenty of light, big rooms, big closets. And I love this tile in the laundry room. Okay, without further ado, let's take a look at the primary bedroom. Again, tons of light. The views of the backyard here are really, really nice. And this would be your primary bathroom. Huge shower. Full-size bathtubs, his and hers. Sinks. And let's go into the closets. You have 2 walk-in closets in the primary bedroom. This would be the first one, and this would be the second one. If you want a private tour of this house or any other house here in Northern Virginia or Maryland, please make sure that you send us a text message with the word tour. I'll be reaching out back to you so we can schedule a showing. So let's go now into the basement. So this first room here in the basement, you can use it as entertainment room, like a cinema or music room or an exercise room. Then you open to this great additional entertainment room. The views in this gorgeous great window are from the backyard. And yes, you are in the basement and you get this amazing natural light. You have a kitchenette with wine refrigerators and wet bar, not kitchenette. And then you have an additional full bathroom, and this would be your bedroom number 6. Also with a full-size closet. So let's take a look at the outside. So here off of the kitchen, you have a deck. And today is close to 100 degrees, so it's super hot. But any other day, you can enjoy this huge backyard. There you have it, another brand new construction here in Arlington. Thank you very much for touring the house with us. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell because we post videos every week. My name is Miguel and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. Thank you very much for being with us today and we'll see you next week.